course, a great reason to get together is that different disciplines working together often sparks up ideas or collaborations, and that's certainly been a really important part of my career.
Collaboration is enormously important in contemporary science, and it's because really difficult, messy problems require a multidisciplinary perspective. No one individual has the grip on all of the techniques, all of the perspectives that need to be brought to bear to solve those problems. Modern science is a team sport. It needs people with those various disciplinary techniques and abilities coming together.
100 years ago, you could be a single investigator in a single centre and do Nobel Prize winning research. In 2013, you cannot do that anymore. You need team science. You need to have people not just in a single centre, but often in many different centres around the world. So networks of scientific collaboration produce the best science.
You need to talk, you need to network, you need to have that human interaction. And then the other side of it is, from our perspective, what percentage of the world's scientists live within GSK? We've got 10,500 scientists. It's 0.000 whatever percent of all the world's scientists. Why would we be the people that know everything? We can't possibly be. So it has to be a scientist-to-scientist interaction.
I've had an opportunity to work with people like environmental scientists and climate scientists, geographers, philosophers, historians, and economists. So I think the advantages of working across disciplines have been extremely important in my own career.
When I think about networking, the first thing I think is negative. I think everyone hates the idea of networking as an end to itself. It's very daunting to go to a conference like this, see someone at the other end of the room, you've read all about their work, and actually think about going over there, approaching them and starting a conversation.
Meetings like that perhaps help break down some of those barriers because you meet these people socially. If you've got a poster, then it gives a substrate for discussion with someone more senior and gives rise to questions and debate.
As a very junior trainee, that is the benefit of networking, that ability to draw on expertise from people that are normally more senior than me. I think in the future social media will continue to have a big impact. Technology is moving very, very fast. Traditionally, medicine and academia have been slow to respond to new technology. I think the answer to that is partly going to lie in networking.
Often collaborations upon which successful careers are founded are forged relatively early in one's career. You get to know people, you trust them, they become your friends, your colleagues, and that can lead to very productive interactions as your career progresses.
In a meeting like this, where you're bringing many different specialties and fields together, it's an opportunity to really see how interdisciplinary science can be incredibly powerful.